All right. Oh, let me put this on. It's going to be loud, probably. Anyway. All right. So, we got mics, and I think somebody else was involved with it, but I'm not sure. 21 challenge. I already did it once. I did that and the sick bay commando and a bunch of other crap. And I accidentally deleted the folder and I can't find a program that'll recover them. Anyway, so I'm going to shoot them all again. I aced it. I aced the 21. Did it perfectly. Probably won't be able to do it again. Well, I shouldn't jinx myself, but shit. Anyway, I'm pretty sure I used Lapua, but we're going to use Pistol Match Special. Tested like 3 lots of SK Pistol Match and Pistol Match Special, and this was the best one. I'm going to ride on it, and I'm going to take a log. So, anyway, we've had rain, hail, snow, shit, this and that and the third, and haven't been able to shoot. A little rusty. In between all that, I took every single gun I got completely apart. Every pin, every screw, the bolt, the action, the barrels came off, everything. The scopes, all of it. Every single frickin' piece of the gun came apart. Trigger, all of it. Everything. Every screw, every pin, every roll pin. And I went through every single gun. Yeah, OCD. That's what happens. OCD and bipolar. That's what happens. Shit. So anyway, yep, she's all clean. Immaculate. All the way through. Every single piece of it. Just like I got it when it was brand new. Probably even better, actually. So, but, well, besides the rounds I've shot today. And we're going to try this 21 challenge. How it goes is the first target you got to hit a 1. Second target you got to hit a 2. Third target a 3. Fourth target a 4. Fifth target a 5. And then the sixth target, you got to make up what makes 21, which would be 6. Am I correct? I suck at math. No, that ain't right, is it? 10, 15. Yeah, no, that is right. So on the last target, you got to get a 6. To perfect it, you would hit the 5 in the center and the 1 on the outside ring. And I did that. I have the target to prove it. I'll show it to you. But we're going to do it again on video because I lost the video, right? I deleted the folder on accident because I thought it was something else. I lost so much footage. Just one of those things, being a YouTuber. Sometimes shit happens. Well, I keep all my stuff on the PC. I download it off the phone and put it on the PC, and then it's deleted off the phone because I cut it, and it's, it comes off. It's not on the phone anymore, so I don't have any record of it on the phone on any of these cameras. And it's all on the PC, and then it goes into a folder of that day or that target or whatever. And I accidentally deleted it, put it in the recycling bin, and then deleted the recycling bin, and tried to recover the recycling bin, and it's recovering shit that I had on there 7 years ago. Oh my gosh. I don't know how the police do it. That's insane. I mean, if I wanted to wait what was it, like 12 frickin' hours or something for it to but then I would have to search through over 300,000 files it was already up to with 2 hours left to go. So I was like, hell no. Hell no. Just redo it. Anyway, so here we are. And we're going to take some sliders, of course, because there's nothing on there. And that stuff up there in the middle is where I was sighting in. And then I beat the Arkin, so she should be good. Got 5 in here. Just going to relax a minute. Redid the torque screws. I can't remember what I put them on when I put it back together, but it was shooting like crap. So my back one's at 20 and the front one's at 23, I think. That's where it looked like it wanted to go in my testing. And I don't know, can you see the can over there? Probably not. We're going to do the can challenge again. I already got a video. It's coming out. Oh my gosh, that's so fun. I think I got it strung up to where it'll stay this time. And there's no wind. There's no wind. So there's no excuse. If I miss, it's on my ass. Let's roll. CZ. All redone. Everything. Took everything off of it. Every screw, every pin, every roll pin, every single thing. The bolt came apart. Every single piece of this gun was laying on the table. All right, we're just going to roll with it. Okay, 1. I don't know if you don't hit it, what happens? Shit. You got to pick a quadrant. You know, there's 4. I'm going to go for the top, I guess. There we go. 2. Three. Oh. I think it's best edge, isn't it? Shit, I don't even know. I hope so. Because I'm going to count that as a 3. 4. Okay. 5. Center ring. 'Kay. Now, if all that other stuff is good, we need a 6. Ooh. Okay, so we got the 4, which we didn't want. So now we need a 2. Oh, no. And you get 3 shots there. So, okay. think that's it. I think we did it, if I'm not mistaken. I did it better last time, but that's all right. All right, Mike, let me know. That's fun too. Aha. All right, folks, check it out. Yeah, I did better the last time. They were right in. So see how that one is? Every one was right in where it needed to be. But lost the footage like you've seen. But anyway, we got a 1. Got the 2. Mike said all you got to do is plug it in there. That's a 2. Plug that 3. Got the 4. Smack that 5 good. Check it out. And last time I got the 5 and a 1 here. But I got a 4. So I went for... Well, I think I tried to go for the 2 and it hit the 1. So I had to hit the 1 again. If I remember right. Anyway. And then we got a 2 there. That's a 6. That's 21. Perfect score. Alright. Awesome. Awesome. I like this one. I'm going to do it again. Anyways, I keep saying that and then I do the video and then I don't ever release them. But no, I like this one. This is cool. Thanks, Mike. Thanks, Mr. Jennings. I really like this target. This is cool. Alright, folks. I hope you're having a good week. Weekend's coming up. Get out and shoot. Take care, everyone.